With the right environment and just 2 minutes per day, you can start to become really good at business English. Let me show you what I mean. Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, the best place to become confident in business English step by step. Last time, we talked about how essential it is to have good habits to become good in English. And today, it's a very practical lesson on how to create the right environment to build those good habits. Because too often, I think that we don't think about everything that goes around your learning. And if you don't do that, if you neglect that, it can really hurt your confidence in your ability to learn English. So many clients tell me, I'm just not good at English, or I was never good at English in school, or, I tried training programs in the past and I didn't really improve that much because I don't have that talent for learning English. But let's look at the environment that you were in. In school, there are often 30 or more students in the classroom, and you have to be really motivated to do a lot of things yourself. If you're taking lessons in like a big company or a big institution, sometimes you just start the program without ever considering how to integrate your English learning into your busy life. And, of course, you can't always do more and more in your schedule. So if today you feel like, I'm just not good at learning English, it's not you that's the problem. It's probably the environment from your past learning experiences. So I want to help you to create a good environment and good habits that will make you feel confident about your English. And you can get a free worksheet to help you concretely do this at ChristinaRobuffet.com/habits. So go there and get that worksheet. Now, there are 3 steps to creating your environment. Step 1 is implementation intention. That's not easy to say. But what is an implementation intention? It's basically planning in advance to do something, but it's very, very specific. For example, I will action at time at place. For example, I will read 1 page of my book in English at breakfast at the table. And, hundreds of studies have shown that an implementation intention really helps you to be consistent with doing your habits. So number 2 is to create an environment where it's easy to do your intention. If you want to read 1 page of your book at the breakfast table, put your book on the breakfast table the day before, and maybe put a bookmark at the page that you want to read. And the idea is that you just do some quick preparation that makes it super easy for you to do the intention when you want to. Because if you sit down for your morning coffee, your book is like right there, it's got the bookmark, it's pretty hard not to just open it up and read that page. And the 3rd step is a 2-minute rule. So when you want to start building habits, start super small. Start with something that you can do without fail, because then you'll feel satisfied. Like, yay, I did this. And that feeling is absolutely essential for building new habits. So you want to start by doing something that takes 2 minutes or less. So like if in the morning you don't have time to read an entire page in English, read 1 paragraph. If one paragraph is too much, just read one sentence. Now, will it transform your confidence in English if you read one sentence each day? No, it will not. But right now, you're just mastering the skill of regularity, consistency, showing up and doing it each and every day. And that is one of the most necessary skills for really improving your English. But, most traditional programs, they don't focus on that process. They only focus on the end result, like reaching a specific level or getting a specific result on a test. And they never focus on how to make it easy for you to get that result. But without the process, without the regularity and the consistency, it's normal if you never reached the goal that you wanted. So if you're not good at English or you feel like you're not good, it's not your fault. It's that you just never learned how to make it easy to be regular doing English every day with small habits. Now, if you learned something from this lesson, please subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to help you on your journey to becoming more confident in business English. And of course, if you want the free worksheet to help you implement all of this concretely in your life, go to ChristinaRobofe.com/habits, and I'll see you next time.